Hi, this is the review for this space heater. The heater arrived nicely packed in the box and everything seems to be nice in good conditions. There's a remote included with this space heater and it already has a battery inside, so it's ready to go. And also the instruction manual, very simple instruction manual, stepwise instructions, very clear to understand. So let's go ahead and start this heater. I plugged in there and here's the start button. So it starts with the 99 Fahrenheit. There are the several modes. This is the mode button. So the blue one is for the natural wind mode when the blue light is on, so it just throwing the wind or air. So this one is the red light on, so high heat mode, and after that is the dark red light, it is low heat mode. And there is also the temperature setting. This is for the timer setting, and this is the oscillation button. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So very nice, small, spacious heater, perfect for the corner use. And also, let me stop it when it comes from. There is the adjustable direction. There's the knob behind on this heater where you can use it to go up or down for the wind direction. And if you press the oscillation button, it will pause the oscillation. So very easy to use this remote. Let's see if it comes from. Okay, so here's the adjustable knob. So now it's going down the heat and this goes up. So very nice space heater. Heater is working fine. So it does take a while. When you close it, it gives you the countdown. So it starts from 15 and it will eventually close. It takes a while to close, so I can already feel the heat going cold. So very nice heater, perfect for the small spaces, easy to use.